Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. This is your host Venkaya Surpur, and today we are starting from Shivpuri to Bhopal. So the hotel name is Kamal Heritage, and we are all set. You can check. The bikes are ready. We are ready. We just have to wear the jacket, and we'll be starting the ride from here. So this is basically a function hall, banquet hall, function hall, and the hotel. So most of the hotels here are in this approach only. So they have their function halls, a hall, a lawn, then banquet halls, and the rooms. So yeah, we took one of them, and good room on the old bypass of Shivpuri Gwalior Road. So we're all set, and let's go. The time is around 9 o'clock, already 9:30. So it's 290 kilometers, and let's talk more in the helmet view. So let's ride. And the ride started from Shivpuri to Bhopal. Bhopal, which is around 290 kilometers from here, will take approximately 6 hours for us to reach. The time is now 9:45. Yes, so we planned to start at 9, but we did it slowly because it was just 5 hours of ride, and there is nothing much. We just wanted to make sure that we have enough rest before we start the ride, because the other day we didn't get that much rest in Delhi. After the weather, it was so hot, and by the time we came home after the meetup from the BSc family members, BSc Delhi members, it was around 10:30, 11 by the time we reached. So yeah, it was not that that was the reason we wanted to have good sleep, proper rest, because before we move downward toward Hyderabad. So yeah, that's the thing today, and we are planning to visit a place. We will be crossing the Tropic of Cancer, touching the Tropic of Cancer line. If you know, there are three specific lines: Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and the Equator. So Equator is in middle, and rest of the two lines cut it in for the other two parts. So Tropic of Cancer is to the north of Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn is to the south of Equator. So Tropic of Cancer passes through India in around, I think, 20 to 30 kilometers away from Bhopal. So we're planning to visit that place, click a couple of photos, and as usual, we'll be posting them in the Instagram. So giving my Instagram ID down. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and follow that, and also do subscribe to the channel. Press that like button as well, so that I get the boost to give more videos, more locations, and explore and enjoy with you guys. Let's go. This is all the 4-lane highway for some time until we reach NH 27, which is just in forward, we can see, and in next 500 meters we'll be getting up into that. And all this is the old bypass through Shivpuri to Gwalior highway. Yeah, so let's go. And we're not done yet breakfast, so we will still do breakfast. It's cloudy. Oh my god, it's really cloudy. I don't think it's cloudy. If it is cloudy, I think I'll wear the raincoat today. I don't want to wear it the jacket drenched. So yeah, let's hope it doesn't rain, and we reach the Bhopal in dry state without getting drenched in rain. So let's try to do that, and let's go, because the shoes is still wet. It's not completely drenched water. It's not like water is dripping, but yeah, it's still wet. And Madhya Pradesh, famous for the breakfast of its kind, which is poha and jalebi, which is always available as a which is the breakfast here. And trust me, it tastes seriously good. So, for example, if you reach Bhopal, if you have ever visited Bhopal or Indore, specifically Indore, if you haven't tasted Indori poha, then you haven't tasted anything in Indore. So yeah, we'll do that. I'll do that. Though I eat poha at home as well, but Indori poha or Madhya Pradeshi poha is good. I cannot eat Indori poha because we're not going to Indore, but yeah, we'll have something. We will have poha for sure in Madhya Pradesh. Let's quickly go. Now we are on NH27. It's all the 4-lane road, just hoping that we don't get cattle on the road. You might have already seen it. But yeah, Madhya Pradesh, you will see lots and lots of cattle roaming around on the roads. And that's all we learn in this Avenger. 12 years old Avenger, which has touched approximately 2 to 2.5 lakhs of distance, kilometers. So yeah, let's go. Let's roll. Alright, stopped here near the toll gate on the the Purankhedi toll plaza for breakfast. And yeah, Anandana's bike is not taking the pickup, so we wanted to change the engine oil. So, do that. So we'll do that, and post that we'll have the breakfast. So let's go. Alright, done with the vehicle work, and we are now having the breakfast. The breakfast is poha. As I said, mandatory poha and samosa with the chutney. So Arvind is enjoying it. So let's quickly have the poha on the roadside dhaba. So not specific. So hygiene is required. Hygiene is required when we are with the family, and basic hygiene would definitely be required. But I think sometimes it's good to have the local way. So just having that at this dhaba. Toll gate, bikes, and we both having the breakfast. So let's have it quickly and enjoy the poha. So he's the guy who helped us give the engine oil change of Avenger, and all set. Breakfast is done. It was good, tasty. Tea was really tasty. So let's go. Time is 11, and we still have around 200 and how much do we have? 251 kilometers. So let's roll and run as fast as we can to Bhopal. And taking up breaks, toll gate to toll gate is what we basically follow. But if required, sometimes we skip that also. And me and Arvind basically stop just to take a quick break, quick relax. Sometimes we do toll gate to toll gate more, especially in the south. That's what we have done. And interestingly, after I think Amritsar, the entire Ladakh region doesn't have a single toll gate because it is maintained by border roads organizations, and there are no toll gates until unless you enter UP, Rajasthan or Delhi. So you don't get the tolls there. Yeah, from Delhi I think we got the tolls, but no tolls in Ladakh. That's one thing which we like. The roads are really good, but still no tolls. So poha was tasty. Tea was very tasty, I would say. We're all set. You can see the green agricultural lands. Madhya Pradesh is around 70% covered by tribals. Tribal people stay are covered by most of the regions. Let's go and roll. Alright, and the right update, we are at JP University, Madhya Pradesh, you can see. And the famous two-wheeler crossing, created by NAC, JP University of Engineering and Technology, Rajputra Garhwal. And we are around 185 kilometers away from our destination. So JP University of Engineering and Technology. So 190 kilometers more, 3 hours more, and we will be in Bhopal. It's cloudy, it's clear, it's cloudy, it's clear, but we're loving this weather. What? Narsingarh, 15 kilometers. And highways, cleaning. Full money making. Huh? What was I game there then? Sonkach. ఏడా లోపల ఉంది తెలుసు నాకు 5:30 నుంచే ఉంది వర్షం. अरे शराब की दुकान పోయింది अंग्रेजी व देशी शराब की दुकान అంట టర్నింగ్ పెట్టింది కొంచెం రోడ్ మీద పడితే ఏమవుతుంది పొదలో ఇస్తున్నా పొదలోడు సంపుకు వస్తున్నా. Alright, right update. We have reached the Narsingarh, which is around 90 more kilometers for Bhopal, and we'll be reaching Bhopal in maximum one and a half to 2 hours. So, yeah, it's cloudy weather. I know in Bhopal the weather forecast is rainy after around 5:30, 6 o'clock. It's raining. It will be raining. That's the forecast, but let's hope it doesn't rain while we are before we reach Bhopal. So let's go and have some fun. So this is the National Highway 46. You can see the divider. Divider is equal to the 2 lanes. So it's 2 plus 2 and plus 2 in the middle. That's how the roads, basically the national highways in here in Madhya Pradesh are. I have ridden Bhopal to Indore and in Ujjain to Ujjain, except in Indore to Ujjain, most of the roads are like this only, with a wide divider in the middle. No cement work, nothing, just leave it like that. The trees grow and they will cover the opposite directions lighting. That's how it is. And the cattle have to be mindful. You should be mindful of 2 things when riding in Madhya Pradesh and UP. Cattle and the people like this who ride in the opposite direction. It's not only 2-wheelers, cars, trucks. Everyone. Most of the people do ride it in the wrong direction without any safety, without even wearing a helmet. So yeah, that's the ride update. And feeling a little bit low because the ride is coming to an end. Lots and lots of memories, beautiful learnings, lots and lots of learnings, and many reasons to come back, go back to Ladakh again, explore with family. For sure, that would definitely happen soon, and I will also record those memories as well. So Kurwara 30, Pachore 38 and Narsingarh on the left side 1 kilometer because we are taking the bypass. So let's go. And I think the petrol is the costliest here, which we have filled right some time back. I filled it for 107.5 and the lowest was 94 in Delhi, which I filled. Not Delhi, Chandigarh I guess, yeah, Chandigarh. 94. You will see cattle a lot here. So have a view. Be careful while riding and do enjoy the rides. And I hope you are liking the video. If yes, please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you will get regular updates for all the videos which I will be uploading for the places I will be visiting, exploring, and would love to take you along with me. I know I'm not that great on the editing or cinematography, but yes, I am learning even now. So yes, that's the update and let's go. And we have entered Bhopal and the first signal of the Bhopal. Time is 4:48. We have 20 more minutes to reach our hotel, which is around 11 more kilometers. So, just jiggling through the traffic of Bhopal because we just crossed the airport road. Juggling through the airport road to the traffic of Bhopal. Driving, if you can drive in any of the cities of India, a two or a four-wheeler for 1.5 years without any scratch on your vehicle, you are good to ride anywhere in the world. That's my experience in this ride. That's my learning in this ride. So yeah, it's not Hyderabad, anywhere in the world, India. Pick up any city, ride for 1 year, you're good. Right, let's quickly go. 11 more kilometers, 20 more minutes. Reach hotel and I'll talk to you on the hotel. Bhopal, and a very beautiful lake on the road, just beside the road. So it's not like the Hussain Sagar Lake. I'm like it seems like a Hussain Sagar Lake, but it feels fresh. You smell fresh here. I believe they don't pollute it, and it's like a tank bund only, almost. And we are almost there, near to our hotel. 6 more kilometers, but we will be going through the hanging bridge of Bhopal. Ravindra Bhavan, Khanugaon, Kamala Park, Karbala, Trophy Junction. And hanging bridge. Better luck next time. Raja Bhoj Setu. So it's a one way. That's the reason we are going on the other side road beside the hanging bridge. Mostly tomorrow morning we'll get on it if we have the same route. And the Tiger Arvind on the Azad. That's the Kamla Park on the left of me. Joggers Park. It's sort of Joggers Park. Right, reached Bhopal, reached the hotel. Hotel is the Kanha Castle and the bikes. So we're just waiting for one of the rider friend from Bhopal, the Jeet Bhopali, to come. So we can just check in and take some rest before we meet the riders from Bhopal.
Later that same evening.
Alright, freshed up. I know it doesn't look like that. It's sweating, so it's hot. And we are all set to go for the meetup of the Bhopal Biking Club members. This is the hotel, the Kanha Castle, and has the course store and some showrooms here. And we have our car, the guy from the MP, from the BBC club who has come to pick up. We'll just go as comes. And it's raining. We are here at Chai Kappa for the meetup. So here's Chai Kappa. Chai Kappa, Arvind, Jeet Bhopali. He's a rider, Jeet Bhopali. कौन? मैं कभी तो आया हूँ. कैसा है? जीतू जी से आया था, भोपाल में आया था, लेकिन मैं निकल गया वैसे, रुका नहीं. He is Naveen. Jeet Bhopali. Ceremony by BBC.
विदेश का तो बहुत बड़ा है, क्या करूँ मैं? बोलना कि देख दोस्त लोग तेरा ध्यान रखता है, खुश हो जाएगा, खुश हो जाएगा, पैसा देगा, ऐसा थोड़ी खुश होगा.
चलो
जाओ सब लोग उधर जाओ चलो पहले जीतने यार आता पहले देखो माला तो पहना. और आ जाओ मार
बाहर आ गया, बहुत साल का बाद मिले, उसको 5 साल लग रहे हैं, सच में 8 साल हो गए।
वो अकेला घूमता, अकेला ग्रुप में नहीं जाता। देखा क्लिप करो यार, ताली तो बजा दो यार। पहना दो उसको, पहना दो।
मैं लॉक कर दे उसको करने।
बहुत बढ़िया। दे मार, अन्ना को देना, मार दे दे क्या?
दे दिया,
जाओ जाओ।
मिशन का आ गया।
चले जा प्रखर, चले जा।
चलता भी नहीं है। तुम लोग का ट्रिप कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना, कहीं गाड़ी वाड़ी कुछ